Hello friends, today I will show you how you will open the app which has been installed from the third party or from the web link directly into the iPhone and not using the App Store. So if you install the app using the third party or directly using the web store, then you will not be able to open that app. So basically iPhone will restrict you to open the app. So first you need to trust the app. So as you can see on my screen, if I have installed the app from the App Store, let me search Go Indigo. So if I install the app from the App Store, I will be easily able to open the app. And if I install the app which is not installed from the App Store like Go IPA, that I have installed it directly from the developer. So when I click on this, it will show me that untrusted enterprise developer. So what I need to do, I need to trust this developer from the settings menu. So how you will do that? Go to settings, click on general. Now search for the device management. So here you can see the device management. In this I have two options. So I can see the IPA Group Private Limited. Click on this and I need to trust the IPA Group Private Limited to trust so that I can open this third party installed app. Not that I haven't installed this app from the App Store, but instead directly using some third party link or by contacting the developer. So once I touch this app, now I will able to open the app. That's all friends. If you like my video or if you learn something from my video, do subscribe to my channel.